I spent years working with high voltage systems in nuclear power plants before transitioning to residential HVAC. If there is one thing I have learned, it is that the best unit is the one built to withstand the real world. Today, we are looking at two basic tier contenders, the Napoleon WTACR and the Tempstar N5A4S. Both are single-stage ducted split systems designed for straightforward cooling. But when you look under the hood like an electrician, the differences start to show. The Napoleon WTACR uses a louvered coil, so those aluminum fins are shielded by solid metal slats. I consider that essential if you have kids playing nearby or a neighbor with a weed whacker. The Tempstar N5A4S, by contrast, uses a wire guard. While it lets a lot of air through, I see it leaves the coil exposed to hail and debris. From a maintenance perspective, I find the Napoleon is much less likely to end up with flattened fins that choke airflow. I note both units sit at a 14.3 SEER2 rating. They both use single-stage scroll compressors, so they're either 100% on or 100% off. Both are fairly vocal too, with the Napoleon around 76 decibels and the Tempstar about 74 decibels. They aren't whisper quiet, but to me they feel built for work. For equipment alone, I see roughly $1,800 to $2,300 for the Napoleon and about $1,400 and to $1,900 for the Tempstar. With professional installation, the Napoleon usually lands around $4,500 to $5,500, while the Tempstar typically runs $3,800 to $4,800. Before I name a winner, I remind you the best equipment won't save you if you don't maintain it. I recommend cleaning outdoor coils every spring with a low pressure garden hose. If you let dirt and cottonwood build up, I've seen compressors run hot, pull more amps, and die years early. I find the warranty differences are where value separates. Both brands offer 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranties. But Napoleon also includes a 1-year unit replacement warranty. If the compressor fails in the first year, I like that they replace the whole outdoor unit rather than just the part. If I'm signing the check, the verdict goes to the Napoleon WTACR. Even with a slightly higher price tag, I prefer the Napoleon for its louvered coil protection and 1-year unit replacement warranty. In the field, I've seen too many WireGuard units, like the Tempstar, get thrashed by the elements. I consider paying a few $100s more upfront for that protection and replacement policy smart money. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the link in the description or the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.